Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using the PowerPoint. So this is one slide design what I made for my thumbnail. So just I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it in my YouTube channel. So first you have to make a thumbnail. So once you have prepared the slide, click save. Once you have clicked click save as, choose your destination folder or choose a random name and save it as JPG in your desktop. So while exporting, they will ask this two option, all slides or just this one. And we have only one slide, so just this one. And just close it. Now going to my YouTube channel, and this is my video upload page of my channel, and I've uploaded a random video just for the reference. And then now I'm going to the thumbnail section. They have already given some custom thumbnail here, but now I'm going to click here for my particular thumbnail, and I'm going to click this file. So yeah, it has got uploaded. So now it's going to appear over here. Yes. So you can see I've used this one as my thumbnail for this particular video. So hope you guys have liked my video. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.